Beats.
I've been a man since I was young. Mindset on some stupid shit, I was dumb. But now I'm different, confessed it. That shit you go through a lesson. I took my L and confessed it, and now those in my possession. I'm like, where the fuck they coming from? Nah, I won't give them back. I guess we both on petty shit, I'm going tit for tat. Lock my feelings up from myself, I can't even get them back. Can't help, that's how it is. Say go get it, how you live. I got them cautious, I see shit that they don't see. I get the cash and I don't shit, now they yelling. Don't forget me, was at the bottom by myself, waiting on niggas to show some love. I hit the plug a couple nights, tryna get them to front the drugs. They ain't answer a nigga call, so when they call, I do the same. Ain't not different on this shot, so miss me with that boy and chance. I just matured up in them brains, some shit in life just say for me. If I was wrong, then tell me right, alright, then let's leave that shit be. Look, I'm grinding on my own time, ain't want nobody around, I need a long time. Been a minute since I hit Mac, I need some phone time. Tryna balance out all these thoughts, like how the fuck I be getting lost up in my own mind. But it's okay, just keep it real, don't fake it. Why? Cause we gon' make it, before he take it, he gon' hit the pavement. Say we be the greatest, let's debate it. They won't cause they hate it, yeah, we be the greatest, let's debate it. They won't cause they hate that shit, I swear to God. Times, that nigga that had some hard times, but can you hear me at this one time? Oh, just this one time, oh yeah, hard times. That nigga that had some hard times, but can you hear me at this one time?